Blesscoin BLESS has recently garnered significant attention in the cryptocurrency market due to its innovative approach to decentralized computing and its rapid price movements. Initially introduced as a decentralized computing project leveraging idle CPU, GPU resources from consumer devices, BLESS aimed to revolutionize sectors like AI, machine learning, gaming, and data analysis. However, its journey has been marked by significant volatility and concerns over potential pump and dump schemes. A pump and dump scheme involves artificially inflating the price of a cryptocurrency through coordinated buying and misleading statements, only for the orchestrators to sell off their holdings at the peak, leaving other investors with devalued assets. Such schemes exploit the relatively low liquidity and market manipulation vulnerabilities inherent in many new or lesser-known tokens. Recently, Blesscoin experienced a remarkable surge in its price, reportedly increasing by over 60% within 24 hours. This sudden spike immediately raised suspicions within the crypto community, prompting discussions about a potential pump and dump scenario. The absence of transparent information regarding circulating supply and long-term project viability further fueled these concerns. Intrigue, Blesscoin was listed on Binance Alpha and Binance Futures platforms known for high volatility and speculative trading. Such listings can serve as catalysts for price manipulation, as they provide a broader audience for potential orchestrated buying and selling activities. Furthermore, the project's tokenomics raise red flags. With a total supply capped at 10 billion tokens and a circulating supply of approximately 1.84 billion, the distribution and release schedule of the remaining tokens remain unclear. Uncertainty in token release can lead to sudden market shocks, especially if large quantities are introduced without prior notice. Despite these concerns, BLESS has garnered attention due to its innovative approach to decentralized computing. The project's vision of utilizing idle computing resources aligns with the growing trend of decentralized infrastructure, appealing to those interested in the future of blockchain technology. However, the project's credibility is undermined by the lack of verifiable information about its development team and advisors. Transparency is a cornerstone of trust in the crypto space, and the absence of publicly accessible details about the project's leadership can deter potential investors. Furthermore, the project's funding history, while indicating initial investments, lacks detailed disclosures about the use of funds and the project's financial health. Without clear financial transparency, investors are left to speculate about the project's sustainability and the potential for future dilution of token value. The community's role in the project's success is also ambiguous. While community engagement can drive adoption and innovation, the lack of visible community initiatives or developer activity raises questions about the project's commitment to its user base. Considering the above factors, potential investors should approach Blesscoin with caution. The combination of rapid price fluctuations, unclear tokenomics, and limited transparency suggests that BLESS may be susceptible to market manipulation and may not offer a stable investment opportunity. For those interested in the project's technological aspects, it is advisable to monitor developments closely. Engaging with the community through official channels and staying informed about updates can provide insights into the project's progress and any efforts to address current concerns. In conclusion, while Blesscoin presents an innovative concept within the decentralized computing space, its current market behavior and lack of transparency warrant a cautious approach. Investors should conduct thorough research, consider the associated risks, and possibly seek alternative opportunities with more established track records before committing significant resources. Moreover, understanding pump and dump schemes is crucial for anyone considering investing in BLESS. These schemes manipulate market psychology, creating hype and FOMO, fear of missing out, to attract unsuspecting investors. BLESS's recent price surge mirrors patterns seen in other questionable tokens, where orchestrated buying leads to temporary high prices before a rapid crash. Listings on high-exposure exchanges amplify this effect, making short-term profits tempting for insiders but risky for ordinary investors. Tokenomics uncertainty, particularly regarding circulating versus total supply, compounds these risks. Large token releases without warning can drastically depress market prices, leaving late investors with losses. Despite these challenges, the technology behind BLESS remains interesting. Utilizing decentralized computing networks could potentially revolutionize how AI and data-heavy processes are handled globally. Yet, technological promise alone cannot safeguard investors from market manipulation or poor financial planning by the project team. The lack of a transparent leadership team and limited disclosure of fund utilization undermine confidence, as does minimal engagement with the community. For risk-averse investors, BLESS currently represents a speculative asset with high volatility and a high potential for losses if a pump and dump occurs. In summary, Blesscoin offers an innovative approach to decentralized computing but comes with significant investment risks. Its rapid price movements, unclear tokenomics, and limited transparency make it vulnerable to pump and dump manipulation. Investors should proceed cautiously, prioritizing thorough research, monitoring updates, and engaging with the community to gauge project credibility. While the underlying technology could have future value, the current environment around BLESS demands vigilance, skepticism, and measured decision-making. For most, alternative cryptocurrencies with proven track records may offer safer investment opportunities, while BLESS remains a speculative option suited only for those prepared for high-risk exposure.